Okay, welcome back. This is Mr. Velez, and this is part 2 on Song Maker. If you missed part 1, go ahead, get the part 1 because we were creating a melody and a drum, and we were copying the same pattern over to measure 2, measure 3, measure 4. So we're not doing anything different. We come with an idea and then we copy that, especially in the drums. The drums do mostly the same most of the time. At the end, couple of variations, but that's pretty much it. And when you create something in the beginning of the melody, remember to start, because we are starting out, we're going to start in C, which is Do, or the lower Do. We don't have a third one. We only have two C, red, and then you have red, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and then we'll repeat again. Make sure you remember the notes. And we're gonna do today a part B, okay? So we were doing part on A section that is relating to each other. And it's different. We copy some of the element and we do some of variations, so we do different notes. You can see I did it here. We're gonna now do a B section, and then later it's gonna repeat the A section, and so and so on. It's gonna get bigger. See, that's called a Rondo form. Okay, so do let's go to the setting over here, setting. We're gonna add, we have 4 bars length. We're gonna go and do 4 more. Then we have 8. Then check. Now we're gonna have 4 more bars. 1, 2, 3, 4 bars, or 4 measure. Okay. Remember, every measure has 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to do something different. In a sense, have to contrast, uh, and let's see what we can do here. So I'm gonna do something different in the drum and something different in the melody. Let me play back one more time. Then here, let me change it. Let's see. Tan, 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 tan. I'm gonna start with the bass. And then one snare in 4. Gonna listen to that. The problem is that it's gonna repeat everything back from the beginning. I don't have a way to play it right here, so I have to then play it all together. Something like that, or to that. Let's do that. Let's change that here. Right, this is try an error, and then I'm just gonna copy that. I'm gonna listen to see if I like it. If not, I have to change it. Oh yeah, I like it, so I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna finish third measure doing the same, and fourth measure. I'm gonna do a couple of variation at the end. Gonna do more snare at the end. Now I'm gonna do a melody. So let me go. I finish in C, C, D, E, F, G. Let's go to G, which is Sol. I can use this G or this G over here. I'm gonna keep it higher. Dun, da, da, dun, dun. I'm gonna listen to see if that is good. Okay, ta ta da ta 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 da ta ta, and maybe then copy that pattern. Ta, ta. See, I'm copying. I'm not doing something new. I just changed the note there. Ta, 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 ta. And listen everything back, and let's see if this is sounding good. There you go. So see, so then we have part A and part B that is different. Now that it's complete, maybe I can do some variation now that I have my notes complete. That's why instead of doing down, I'm gonna do a high. Then listen back again and go back and check it out, and then you're working something that is really nice. That now you have more part of the song. You have an A section, you have a B section, so it's getting in shape. Please, when you're done, save it, because remember, this is gonna get bigger. Copy the link. Make sure you are making a Google Doc to have all your song. Put the title, song maker, and your name, and save now under a different section. Put like, this is gonna be A and B section down, because you have an A and B section, so the link will be different than the original. This is all, everything here I have to go down. This is all A section, and I have to start a new one with my B and A section. So I'm gonna just make it in a blank page, so I know all of these are gonna start now with my A and B section. So this is my first song with A and B section. So then you can go back and listen, and then work in the other song in the same, and have fun with this. So please, hope you like it. Smash the like, and see you next time. Bye.